Hey everyone and welcome. If you've ever wanted to quickly add up numbers in Google Sheets without the hassle of manually calculating each one, this video is for you. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to use the sum function, one of the most useful and time-saving tools in Google Sheets. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to sum up columns, rows, or any group of numbers in just a couple of clicks. Trust me, once you master this, you're going to wonder how you ever managed without it. Let's dive right in. First and foremost, make sure you already have your data entered into your Google Sheets. This could be anything. Maybe you've got monthly sales figures, a list of expenses, scores from a recent game night, you name it. The sum function is perfect for any situation where you want to quickly total up those numbers. Take a moment to double check that your numbers are all set, each in its own cell, lined up either vertically in a column or horizontally in a row. It doesn't matter if you have just a handful of numbers or dozens. The sum function handles them all effortlessly. Now here, where the magic happens. Click on the cell just below the last number in your list if you're working with a column, or to the right of your numbers if they're in a row. This is where our answer, the sum, will appear. In that cell, you're going to type equals sum followed by an open parenthesis. As you start typing, you might notice Google Sheets giving you suggestions. That's just the program trying to help, so feel free to click or ignore those as you like. After the parenthesis, select the range of numbers you want to add together. Here's an example. If your numbers are in cells A1 through A10, you'd type equals sum A1 A10. That colon between A1 and A10 tells Google Sheets, hey, I want everything from the first cell to the last. It's like highlighting a whole stack of receipts and telling your calculator to add them all together at once. If your numbers are scattered or not all in a row, you can simply click each individual cell, separating them with commas instead of a colon. Once you've chosen your range, close the parenthesis. So the full formula should look something like equals sum A1 A10 or equals sum A1 A4 A7 depending on what you need. This part might take a few moments if it's your first time, but don't worry, after you've done it once, it'll be second nature. And now for the moment of truth, just press enter. Instantly, you'll see the total of all those numbers appear in your selected cell. It's that easy. If you ever change a number in your original range, Google Sheets will automatically update the sum, which is fantastic if you're managing budgets or tracking ongoing data. And there you have it, a quick and simple way to add up any group of numbers using the sum function in Google Sheets. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions about spreadsheet functions or run into any issues, drop a comment below. I do my best to answer everyone. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy-to-follow tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.